众，请继续来看迪士尼皮克斯的动画电影《巴斯光年》，到底要放映咯，影迷拢真期待。也毋过，这个影片当中有一段是女同志烧金的画面，结果阿拉伯联合大公国、埃及、印尼等等有14个国家禁止放映。
Who are you talking to?
No one.
You were narrating again.
I was not. Just doing the mission log.
迪士尼皮克斯网甲巴斯光年特别上场，由美国队长克里斯·伊凡、塔伊加维提迪、佮齐齐帕马配音，三人出席英国伦敦13号的首映会，气氛热烈滚滚。不过讲到巴斯光年，因为有查某同志烧金的画面，无法度伫咧14个国家播出，让克里斯·伊凡感觉真失望。
It's great that we're a part of something that's making steps forward in the social inclusion capacity, but it's frustrating that there are still places that aren't where they should be.
禁止播出的国家，阿拉伯联合大公国当局讲，同志关系违反媒体内容的标准。禁止巴斯光年播出的国家，佮包括沙特阿拉伯、埃及、印尼和马来西亚等等。
We're hoping for a time when we don't even have to have this conversation. We can watch a movie and we don't even have to bat an eyelid. We don't have to think, oh wow, weird. You know, it's not weird, it's normal and it should be normalized.
希望各界莫用无好的眼光看待，迪士尼嘛坚持未修改画面。除了已经知影的14个国家，巴斯光年敢袂当伫咧全球上大电影市场，同时嘛对同志较敏感的中国上映播出嘛无人知影。
我是林依文，想要关注体育的朋友们，记得收看52动起来，然后还要订阅我们的 YouTube 频道，赶快按赞、订阅、开启小铃铛。